In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to expand and collapse mind map trees in Draw.io for Confluence. If you use mind maps inside Confluence with the Draw.io editor, being able to expand and collapse branches is essential for keeping your content clear and focused. It lets you reveal detail when you need it and hide it when you don't, which is perfect for editing, presenting, or documenting complex ideas without overwhelming your viewers. Start by going to your Confluence space and opening the page that contains your mind map diagram. Make sure you're in editing mode so the diagram is interactive and you can work with it directly. Once your mind map is open, you'll be able to work with the branches just like you would in a typical hierarchical tree. Inside the mind map, look for small plus signs next to branches. These indicate that a branch has hidden sub-branches beneath it. Clicking the plus sign expands that part of the map, revealing the next level of detail. After a branch is expanded, the icon changes to a minus sign, which you can click to collapse the branch again. In short, use plus to expand the mind map or a particular branch and use minus to collapse the mind map or a particular branch. Try this on a main branch first. Click the plus to open up its child topics and see how the structure unfolds. If it becomes too busy, click the minus on that same branch to roll it back up. You can repeat this on any branch you want, whether it's a high-level section or a deeply nested subtopic. Expanding from the central topic will gradually open the entire map layer by layer, while expanding individual branches keeps the focus tightly on the area you are discussing. A few practical tips can make this smoother. If you don't see a plus or minus next to a topic, that branch either has no children or you may be zoomed out too far for the icon to be visible. Zooming in slightly can help with precise clicks. For large diagrams, expand only the paths you need to discuss to keep the layout readable. Collapsing unused sections reduces visual clutter and makes it easier to guide teammates through the content. Remember, expanding and collapsing doesn't delete or modify your ideas. It simply shows or hides levels of detail. That's all there is to it. Open your mind map in editing mode, then use the plus icon to expand and the minus icon to collapse exactly where you need. With these simple toggles, you can navigate even complex mind maps confidently and present them clearly.